Hey there, DIY enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we dive deep into the world of creativity and color. Today, I'm diving into the colorful world of acrylic paint mixing. Acrylics are incredibly versatile and vibrant, making them a favorite among artists of all levels. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just getting started, these tips and tricks will level up your game. Let's get into it. Mixing acrylics can be both fun and a bit challenging, but with the right techniques, you can achieve stunning results. First up, always start with primary colors: red, blue, and yellow. They're your building blocks. These colors can be mixed to create a wide spectrum of hues. Mix them to make secondary colors like green, orange, and purple. Understanding the color wheel and how colors interact is crucial for creating the perfect mix. And don't forget, you can adjust the shades by adding white or black. It's all about experimentation. Adding white will lighten your colors, creating tints, while black will darken them, creating shades. Now here's a pro tip. Use a palette knife over a brush for mixing. Why? A palette knife allows for a more thorough mix without the risk of overloading your brush with paint. It ensures a smoother mix and prevents your brush from getting overloaded with paint. Plus, it's a great tool for creating interesting textures and effects directly on your canvas. Plus, it's way easier to clean. Just a quick wipe and you're good to go, saving you time and effort. When it comes to consistency, adding a bit of water can go a long way. Water can help thin out the paint, making it easier to apply in smooth, even layers. But be careful, too much water can dilute the paint and weaken the pigment. This can result in a washed-out look, which might not be what you're aiming for. Aim for a creamy texture that's easy to spread but still vibrant. This balance will give you the best of both worlds: ease of application and rich, bold colors. Want to create unique textures? Acrylics are perfect for this because they can be manipulated in so many ways. Try mixing in some modeling paste. This medium can add body to your paint, making it thicker and more sculptural. It thickens your paint and adds a 3D effect to your work. This is great for adding dimension and interest to your pieces. Perfect for those bold, dramatic strokes. The added texture can make your artwork stand out and give it a tactile quality. Ever heard of the double dip technique? This is a fun and easy way to add depth and interest to your paintings. Dip your brush into two colors at once. When you apply it, you'll get a beautiful gradient effect that's perfect for blending. This technique can create smooth transitions between colors, adding a professional touch to your work. It's a simple trick, but makes a huge difference. It's these little techniques that can elevate your painting from good to great. For those who love a glossy finish, mix a bit of gloss medium with your paint. This medium can give your artwork a polished, professional look. It not only gives a shiny look, but also enhances the color depth. The gloss medium can make your colors appear more vibrant and saturated. Your artwork will pop and look more professional. Let's talk about storage. Proper storage can save you time and money by preserving your mixed paints. If you mixed up a color and have some left over, don't toss it. Store it in an airtight container to keep it fresh. Store it in an airtight container. This will prevent the paint from drying out and keep it ready for your next session. It'll stay fresh for your next session. Just make sure to label your containers so you know what's inside. Just give it a good stir before use. This will ensure the paint is well mixed and ready to go. Now, a quick tip for cleaning up. Keep some baby wipes handy. They're perfect for wiping off any mistakes or cleaning your tools. Quick and efficient. This can save you a lot of time and hassle. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment. Acrylics are incredibly forgiving, so feel free to try new things and see what works for you. Mixing acrylics is all about trial and error. You'll discover new shades, textures, and techniques that will make your artwork uniquely yours. The more you experiment, the more you'll learn and grow as an artist. So grab your palette, get creative, and most importantly, have fun. Painting should be an enjoyable and fulfilling experience. Alright folks, that's it for today's paint mixing hacks. I hope you found these tips helpful and inspiring. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more DIY content. Happy painting. Keep exploring, keep creating, and see you next time.